how to fix webcam not detected in OBS on your laptop. So this is a nice easy fix. All you need to do is go over to sources, press this plus button here, and then go to video capture device. Once you've clicked that, you can rename it to whatever you like. You can press OK, and now you need to select the device you're going to capture from. For me, I'm using my integrated camera. So now we can press OK, and you can format that to whatever size you want and move it around the screen. So if it's not coming up, what you need to do is go into your settings. You need to go down to privacy and security, and then scroll down to app permissions. So now press camera and scroll down to this bit here. So it says let desktop apps access your camera. You've got to toggle that on, and as you can see it says that OBS is currently in use. So once you've toggled that on, you can repeat this process here and it will be working for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.